Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Welcome back. Today we're going to cook curries. So we've got masala sauce here, methi leaves, we've got chopped coriander, sultanas, we have green peppers and almond powder, and we have almond slices and desiccated coconut. We have our mixed spice, sugar and grated garlic in oil. And also our pre-cooked chicken, which we made in our other video, and buna onions and dupiaza onions, and our spiced oil, which we got out of our lovely base gravy. Well, now let's start cooking. I'm going to show you how simple it is to cook a jalfrezi if you have all the other ingredients ready. But first I'm going to show you how to make the most important ingredient, is the masala sauce. Now this masala sauce is used in chicken tikka masala and chicken curry and so on. It's very important sauce we use. So pause the video and get everything together, and then basically put everything in the bowl at the same time, and just excluding the colour, food colouring. What you want to do is add a little at a time and create the colour you want. So once you've got this sauce ready, we're going to make our jalfrezi. Jalfrezi is probably one of the most popular dishes in the Indian restaurant menu. I think probably about second from masala, because masala is also probably one of the most popular dishes. In the old days it used to be a kurma or dansai, but that all changed and masala came probably one of the most popular dishes. And I suppose madras is probably next one as well. So madras, kurma, masala, jalfrezi, these are the #1 dishes what sell really well. So I'm going to show you today how to make a jalfrezi. You're going to really enjoy this jalfrezi. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button and also the like, because that way you get notified when I post new recipes. And also please tell your friends as well and share this video with everybody you know, so that the channel gets well known and everyone can cook my curries and enjoy my curries, which is very important, because I'm teaching everybody how to cook restaurant style curries here, proper restaurant style. This is real time, it's not kind of taking half an hour. Normally restaurant style curries take 5 to 6, 7 minutes maximum. Anyway, this is how we would serve it. What I've done is heated up a dish and served it really piping hot, and you would serve it at the table while it's really hot. You can use a curry dish if you've got one. I haven't got a curry dish, so I've used this dish I bought especially for this video. So now I'm going to show you how to cook the jalfrezi from scratch. So in a saucepan, make sure the saucepan or frying pan is really hot. Put some oil, your seasoned oil, which you know we get from our base gravy, and then put some garlic and let that sizzle away for a little while with some green peppers, and also the dupiaza onions. Now in my videos you will see how to make this dupiaza onion. It's very simple. It only takes about 5 minutes or so to cook, and it's one of the pre-cooked onions you will need to make my curries. There's 3 different types of onions I use. The dupiaza onions, which we use for jalfrezi and dupiaza, and Balti onions, which are very small pieces of onions. And they're all pre-cooked to save time. Not a lot of restaurants use this way or this method. This is my own take, because I've been doing it so long. I've devised ways to make it much quicker. So what we would do, we would cook the onions every day fresh in the morning and use this onion to make our jalfrezi. So let that cook a little bit. This is near enough real time. I haven't cut this video at all because I want you to see how long it takes. I'm going to put some red chili as well and some fresh coriander, but add as much red chili as you want. If you like it really hot, you can add a teaspoon or so. I've only added probably about half a teaspoon to this one because I don't like it too hot. I like to taste the flavours, and that's how you should eat it. You should eat it so you can taste the flavours of the chicken, the onions and so on. If it's too hot, you won't be able to taste it. I've just added the masala sauce. As you can see, it's probably about half a chef spoon of masala sauce. Add all the gravy at the same time. It's very important so that it all cooks together. We don't want it cooking at different stages, so we want it all to cook together to form a nice sauce. All we're doing now is basically thickening the curry up to our desired thickness, and then we're going to serve. Now, masala, as you know, and jalfrezi are probably one of the best-selling curries, and if you get it right, it is really tasty. And if you cook this for your friends and family, they will love this dish. But at the end, what we want to do, as it's just nearly finishing, you can see the oil is rising to the top now. We're going to take some of this oil out because one thing I don't like is if the curry contains too much oil, especially when you're going to eat it at the table. So all you need to do is once you see the oil appear, just tilt the frying pan up just a little and just siphon the oil off. So we put probably about couple of tablespoons of oil. As you can see, I'm taking that oil out. So this curry won't have oil, it won't be seeping in oil, so it's very well presented. So this is my take on chicken jalfrezi. I hope you enjoy this dish. Please let me know in the comments what you think, and please, like I say, tell your friends and share this video so everyone can enjoy my easy method of cooking restaurant style curries, because that's my profession. I've been cooking it for nearly 40 years now, and it's been a good profession for me, and I love cooking. So I hope you enjoy this dish. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So bye for now and enjoy.